$850 US gets you in Zhuhai, a tier 3 city in China. My unit is on the 29th floor of that building right there. This right here is a running path, rubber running path along the water, and my job is about half a mile that way. You can see the bridge in the background, but that bridge takes you to Hong Kong. It takes me 12 minutes to get to the port bus station, and then it's like a 45-minute bus ride to Hong Kong. This way is toward Macau. The Gongbei port is about a mile that way, and the Gongbei port takes you right into Macau. So here's the view. That's that red path I was on down there. And this is literally why I got the apartment. I mean, 5,000 RMB, it's within budget, it's within my housing stipend, but I don't need to be living in a place this nice. But like, I mean, I walked in, I saw that view, and I was like, this is the spot. I'll give you guys a little tour here. So this is the entryway coming in. And I'm actually moving out tomorrow, but kitchen, which I did not use once, and washing machine, fridge. I mean, here's the view that I saw and knew I had to have this place. Here's the second bedroom, which I ended up actually staying in because the first bedroom started smelling, the bathroom started smelling. Here's the second bathroom, the one that does not smell. And like there's pipes coming out and like tiles started coming up, kind of just China. That's the bathroom that smells, so we won't go in there. And here's the master. And that's where sunrise is. So that's what I would see every day, which is incredible. So 5,000 RMB a month rent, and then 10,000 RMB deposit. And then property management fees were about 330 or 350 RMB a month. That's like 50 bucks. And the place has nothing. It has security, which you don't even need it. It's China, safest place in the world. But like no gym, no pool, no nothing. I don't know if you can see, but I mean, that pool's not ours. That's the 5-star hotel. But there's some greenery down there, I guess, when you walk in, but whatever. All in, it ended up being around like 900 US a month, including utilities, which are cheap. I ran the AC all the time. It's super humid out here, but that didn't cost, and water was like nothing. So pretty reasonable for a pretty sweet place with an incredible view.